kain tayo. Ayan. Hindi lang laging exercise, dapat mayroon ding pagkain para healthy. May tinapay din dito pero mas pinili natin si Mingo. Minsan, maninibago rin yung natin, yung tiyan natin, parang malamig siya sa tiyan. Mas magaan siya rin sa tiyan kaysa sa carbohydrates. Pero, mas pa rin talaga. This is healthier when you use this one. When you eat fruits rather than bread. Everyone, shout out those who are always visiting my channel. Right now I am having confusion on my niche. I don't know what kind of niche. Ano ba maganda? Wala akong niche. Walang niche ang channel. Pero nakita nyo naman before, mas marami akong Zumba. Pero ngayon parang, yun, naguguluhan. Kaya kain muna. Kain na lang muna ng mangga. And then later on, yung mga activities sa school pa rin, ganun pa rin, papakita ko pa rin sa inyo yung mga ginawa namin sa school. So, ayun. Ngayon, kailangan ng reading. Ano yan? Ano raw sabi? Ano raw?
Yung password ng Gcash mo para makapagbayad.
Okay. Hello, kain tayo. Ayan. Hindi lang laging exercise, dapat mayroon ding pagkain para healthy. Hello, kain tayo. Ayan. Hindi lang laging exercise, dapat mayroon ding pagkain para healthy. May tinapay din dito pero mas pinili natin si Mingo. right, so we keep on dancing, keep on meeting friends, keep on moving your body. So enjoy what we are doing and dance to the music. Right now, I missed already 3 days of Zumba. So, I need to go back again to my first lab, go back again to the dancing. Thank you, thank you. These are my buddies, my dancing partners. They are also friendly and so accommodating. So, I will be attending again tomorrow. Bye! Ay, hindi pa pala. So, this is still continuing until we're done with the dance. So, let's dance. Dance with me, guys. Bye. Not yet bye, but dance with me.
Because the night